Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with TransUnion for credit monitoring during tax season, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official TransUnion website. Locate the credit monitoring section on the homepage. Click on the link that offers credit monitoring services. Review the features and benefits provided by TransUnion. Select the plan that best fits your needs. Click on the Sign Up or Get Started button. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. Provide your full name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Ensure that all information entered is accurate and up to date. After completing the form, click on Next. You may need to answer security questions to verify your identity. Follow the instructions for any additional verification steps. Once your identity is verified, review your registration details. Agree to the terms and conditions provided by TransUnion. Proceed to enter your payment information if required. Confirm your subscription plan and payment method. After successful registration, you will gain access to your TransUnion account. Log into your account using the credentials you created. Explore the dashboard for credit monitoring tools and resources. Set up alerts to stay informed about changes to your credit report. Regularly monitor your credit report and score for accuracy. Utilize the educational resources available to enhance your credit knowledge. Keep your account information secure and update contact details as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.